So today in this video we shall factorize this expression. So when you see this expression, so these all the terms contain 2a plus 3b. So common we take first 2a plus 3b. So remaining here in the first x square in the middle plus 3x in the last plus 2. So now we factorize this expression. The first expression is always same. So it is 2a plus 3b, and in this expression the first x square and plus 2. So it is also same. So when we factorize 2, so we get 2 times 1 mean 2 and 2 plus 1 mean 3. So 3x we can write 2x plus x. So 2x plus x means it is 3x. So now this term 2a plus 3b, it is same, and in this we separate into two parts. These both are first one and these both are the last one. So in these both first term, common here is x. So remaining in the first x plus x already came, so remaining is 2. In the last part, common here is plus and no any expression, so we can take 1. So remaining x plus 2. So 2a plus 3b, it is same, and now we take out common in first and last expression. So both contain x plus 2. So x plus 2 is common, and remaining in the first x, in the last plus 1. So 2a plus 3b, x plus 2 and x plus 1 are the required factors. So this much for today, and thanks for watching.